So one of the types of widgets that you can go ahead and add in inside of Jotform is an autocomplete widget. So to go ahead and do that, you can click on Add Element and then go to Widgets right here. So once you go around over here, you can scroll down and then you will be able to find the autocomplete widget, or you can simply go ahead and search it right here as well. So if I were to go to autocomplete, you can see that I simply get a normal field right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say something like tell me your favorite food right here. Let's say, for example, or favorite food, just like this. So now as I do that, I can go around over here onto properties, and here you can see that I got the alignment options for this, and you can make it required, and you can add in the item name right here. So let me just go around and say pizza, and then you can go around and say, let's say, for example, burger right here, just like this, and you can simply go ahead and copy and paste this out right here, just like this, and add in other elements. Like, let's say, for example, I'm going to say fried rice right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and say, let's say, dumplings, let's say, for example, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, I'm going to say let's say noodles, let's say, for example. Okay, so this is it. So this is what I have. As you can see, I added in all the items. You can change around the width as you want as well, and the number of characters users can enter. Change around the validation right here as well. So just like other fields, you got the details, but this is the main thing right here, the items. You can define out the items, and then as with any other field, you can change around the advanced setting as well. Well, let me just go ahead and close and then go to preview form right here, just like this. And as I go around over here, you can see it says tell me your favorite food. Press P, and then you can see pizza and dumplings right here, the letter with the word P. If I were to go around over here, you can see burger, and I'm going to go around and say, let's say, for example, R, then you got burger, fried rice right here. So I can simply go around over here and then type this in, and then that particular word is entered. I can go around and add in something else. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say sushi right here. You can enter that out as well, but it is not a part of the autocorrect right here. So let me just go around and add it. So you can add in, let's say, for example, certain things, but if you want autocomplete, you can go ahead and define it by utilizing the autocomplete widget inside of Jotform, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.